Hi everybody, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a new listing here, 1997 Sea Ray 45 Sundancer. Nice, clean, freshwater boat. Coming on board here. The upholstery looks to be in good shape. Very clean boat, it's age. Upgraded stereo system. Just at 900 hours on the main engines up there, or just under 900, and about 1338 on the gen. Downstairs here, refrigerator's been replaced. You got your door back here to your mid cabin, its own bathroom there, and forward you have a dry head in this one and a nice sizable forward berth. So once again, Captain Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Let me know if I can get you any information on this 1997 Sea Ray 45 Sundancer. Thanks. Have a great day.